our sandwich prep table. First off, we will draw the measurements. Left to right, we have a length of 27¼ inches, a depth of 29½ inches, and 44 inches tall with the back cover. Measurements for the cutting board, we have 27¼ inches by 10¼ inches in depth. Top swing door cover, and included are 8 pans, 6 half pans, and 2 quarter pans. The measurements for each half pan will include 6½ inches in length, 7 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 6 half pans, and the measurements for the quarter pans, we have 4½ inches in length, 7 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for 2 of the quarter pans included. Coming to the bottom, we have our refrigeration. And included is a adjustable shelf. The measurements for the shelf, we have 22 inches in length by 17 inches in depth. Interior dimensions, we have 23 inches in length, 13 inches in depth, and a height of 23 inches. Located on the right column is the ETL certification sticker, along with a thermometer. Coming to the back will be the temperature control, along with 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call, or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product.